everyone, I'm Carol, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can customize your reports inside of Infraspeak. So if you head on over to your platform and we click down on the left-hand side on the Settings tab, once you are in the Settings section, I'm going to ask you to scroll down to the Reports section. And once you're here, you can then click on Customize Report field. So here in this section, we're going to be able to choose which type of report we want to customize. And you have options such as work order reports, planned job, audit, special job, purchase, sale, request, stock movements, client reports, and worksheet reports. So I'm going to select our work order reports as an example. And now if you click here on the arrow, you'll have a little drop-down list of the already existing work order reports that are here. They might be default, or you might have already added them previously. So all you have to do is click on the plus sign, which is going to let us add a new report. And then here where it says name, we can just give it a name. So I'm going to put WO reports. And then as you can see, you have access settings here in the beginning, so which you can turn on or off the access that you want to give to these reports. And then if you scroll down, you have all of the content settings. So this is all of the content that is available to be on your reports. With these little tick boxes, what you can do is you can turn these content options on and off as you wish. So if you have content and information that maybe for one client is super relevant, but for the other isn't really, you can create different reports for different clients without any issues. So, and these are easily turned on and off. So as you can see, all of the blue tick boxes means that the content is turned on. Everything that is not ticked means that it's turned off. So if you want to come here and turn off some content, you can just click on the tick box and you've now turned that off. If you want to turn it on, let's say, for example, all you have to do is click on the tick box and that's going to activate that content for you on your report. Once you're done going through all of the content and selecting which settings you want on and off, all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom and click on the create button so that that gets saved and your report gets successfully created. So if we go back here to the drop down list, you'll see here is our WO report, so our work order reports that we have just created together. And the process is the same for any other type of reports that you would like to customize. I hope you enjoy that, and thank you for watching. Bye.